Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third week of Christmas crafts. It is the first week of Advent and Christmas is coming soon. So we decorate our homes to celebrate the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, whose love is everlasting. Therefore, in today's video, I will be showing you how to make Christmas tree buntings with Merry Christmas written on it by using scrap materials. So let's get into the video. The materials you will need are old cardboards, white card paper, red color sheet, pencil, white and black marker, fevistick, paintbrush, scissors, hole punch, double-sided tape, thread, white paint, a small empty container and a small circle-shaped object. We'll begin by drawing and cutting Christmas trees on the cardboards. We will need 23 of these Christmas trees. We are going to be decorating these Christmas trees in white, and so we'll paint their trunks using white paint. This is me painting the trunks of all the 23 trees. It is so fun and therapeutic. Now we'll doodle on these Christmas trees in order to decorate them by using a white marker. This is one of the most fun-filled projects that I have worked on this year. And a little secret about me is that I love doodling and I love Christmas very much. Since this is a bunting, we are going to punch a hole at the very top of all the trees. And here's a look of all the 23 doodle trees. Do comment below which doodle Christmas tree you like the most. Now we'll move on to the lettering part. First we'll cut small circles on the white card paper and then stick them on the red paper and cut them again. We will need 14 of these red circles. Using a black marker, let's write the letters of Merry Christmas on each of these red circles. Now let's place the letters of the word Merry on the doodle Christmas trees and then stick them on it by using a double-sided tape. Let's do the same with the letters of the word Christmas as well. We'll arrange and see how the words Merry Christmas look on the doodle Christmas trees. Ta-da! It's beautiful! We're almost at the end. We just need to string all these trees together using the thread by inserting the thread from one hole of the Christmas tree to the other. So first I'm stringing 4 doodle Christmas trees, followed by the word Merry, then 1 doodle Christmas tree, followed by the word Christmas, and finally 4 more doodle Christmas trees. In order to keep the Christmas tree stable, we need to staple the tree to the thread, just like it is shown here. Now our very own handmade Christmas tree bunting is ready to be used as a decoration. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's Christmas crafts video on a Christmas tree bunting. Don't forget to comment down below which doodle Christmas tree you like the most. Stay tuned for another Christmas crafts video next Friday. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.